Hi, this is Susan, and Merry Christmas. I hope you're having happy holidays. And I wanted to show you, this is this adorable sign that I got at Dollar Tree. I just love the snowman and the snowflakes. So this wreath is a snowflake. It's like a giant snowflake. Let me pull this up to show it to you. I don't know how the wreath makers actually video things, but because it really is large. And so it is made from Dollar Tree white trees. Let me set this down and I'll show it to you. And their ornaments. So this is one of the trees. They come in white and they come in green. So I've taken 6 of the whites and flattened them. I'm not putting this piece, the footing on it, and I'm just flattening them and then connecting them. So you can see how each point is another tree. So that's 6 trees. At the time I got these, they were $1.25, so I'm not sure if it's $1.50 now. But you can use some twist ties. This is from the lettuce. Easy to use. You can use these zip ties. And of course the chenille stems or the pipe cleaners. A friend came over and copied this last year, and so I think I used up all of my chenille stems because I couldn't find them. So real easy to make, and like decorated and everything. It's like $20 or around there. I try to stick with $20 when I'm doing a Dollar Tree wreath. Now this has these little glitter stems, so those are in here. This particular ornament has a back side to it, so I take the back side off. You may have to hot glue the middle and the front. So I take the back side off, and then I put them down in here. So it's like got a full 3-4 of them, and then I use the back side of the bigger one to come out on the points. And then these blue and silver ornaments are one of these tubes of 5 pieces, and they're pretty. They have the snowflake on them. If you tie this together really well, like you can even tie the pieces, wrap those together. It seems flimsy, but it's not. It's just because it's 6 trees that it's flexible. The other thing I found this year was these are adorable. These are in the Christmas section. These were snowflakes. Snowflake design lights. So I think these would be really cute, like on the mantle or something. You could put them in here, but they wouldn't really show as much. And then they also had these, which these are 30 lights to a battery pack. And typically, if you buy them in the Christmas, you get 10. You always get 10, and I had 10 originally, and then I came across these. These are over in the electronics of Dollar Tree, where the earbuds and the light bulbs and all that kind of stuff, they're on that section. And they come in the cool colors, the warm colors, and the multicolor. So for some reason, they have these now. I don't know if, and these are $1.50, where these were $1.25. I think that's $1.25 and $1.50. It was just like a 25-cent difference for 3 times the lights. So I haven't used these because it seems like I need to have cool lights and not warm lights in with the blues. But what would be really cute with these trees is candy canes, if you were doing the white or the green. But the white, it would lend itself to wonderful candy canes, or an elf theme, or a gingerbread theme. Anything that, would be so cute to have a theme going on, and besides the blue. So let me show you some other things that I put together the year that I made this. And I had found this at the thrift store, and so because it's blue, it's a little sled. Let me see if I can get this up high enough to show it to you. Has the rope on it, and somebody had painted it. I think, it was like a quick paint thing. Like, I don't recall exactly. I know I changed part of it. I think it had the trees, and I might have added some of the snowmen. It seemed like it had the Sherpa looking lining kind of stuff at the bottom. And so I added more snowmen, or I remember doing something to it. I was going to paint it all over again, and then I realized, oh no, I'm going to keep the blue because I had the blue there. And so you can put this against a door, you can set it up against your fireplace to the side of it, and it's just real sweet. And you've got the snowman and the snowflake theme going on. And so I have another snowflake piece that I made. I'm telling you, I don't know how the professional wreath makers have this worked out. I'm going to have to watch one of their videos. It's been a while, because I've been doing miniatures for the last year. So this was these adorable. This is a picture. Let's see, you're going to see the reflection of the ceiling light. But it's these adorable little snowflakes that I got. Oh, these were at Hobby Lobby. That's right. My friend and I both saw these because she works at one of them, and she's a department person, and she was saying, did I see them? And I was like, yes, I already made something with them. And so she was in another state, and so she was like, what did you make? And I'm like, what are you making? And so we ended up making the same things. But they're so cute and little miniature, so you have to make something with them. And so this was a Dollar Tree little piece. They had some package, and I'm sure they still have this kind of thing. But it had little trees. It seems like it had something up here that was maybe snowflakes or something that I used first, and then I came back and used the little packages for the base of the tree. Now, if you do, this gold doesn't show up really well. So I don't know if I need to go green on it. But this was a thrifted frame that I painted navy. And so I did silver for the back to match that. But this has bothered me because it doesn't really show up well enough. So I was copying the gold off of this. So maybe I need to do red or green or something. So this was the little saying, between Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, you kind of have to work both to get the pieces that you need for everything. And this, I think, was a Hobby Lobby. And see, it has a little bitty, adorable little snowflake. And so that's where that came into play. So I like my snowflake and my snowman theme going on here. If we don't get snow, we finally got a cool spell here in Texas. So happy about that. Really happy about that. I'm wearing my sweats for the first time. So thanks for dropping by, and I hope you're having a great holiday season, eating lots of good food and enjoying it all. Okay, bye-bye.